let's talk about juror number 15 and what Amber Heard's attorneys are arguing in their document asking the judge to set aside the verdict. There's really two things they're arguing about this jury. For one, they're saying that the juror's listed year was wrong, that the juror really wasn't born in 1945, but more like 1970, based on how the juror appeared. And it's that detail right there is why you know it cannot be reversed based on this, although they concede the law doesn't even allow it to be reversed based on this, because they could see how old the juror looked when questioning the juror. It wasn't some hidden fact that only came out later, so even if there was some sort of error, it was easily solved by the appearance of the juror. Now, the second argument, though, is more interesting, and it actually is the same plot line in the Netflix Lincoln Lawyer that's out right now, that basically somebody got on the jury that wasn't supposed to be there. They're insinuating that the juror that was on the jury never even received a jury summons. And this is what they're asking the court to look into. That's a much more serious issue. It seems highly doubtful because I imagine that they did have to go through quite a lot of screening and identification purposes before they were allowed to sit on the jury. So I imagine that will also not go very far, but that is definitely the more tantalizing argument that they have.